Hey, what's up, Bill? So went ahead and made this clip, and I thought I'd put a little bit of user param stuff in there because I don't know the thickness of the monitor or where it's going. So this is the clip, and it's shaped like that. We can change the size if we want inside of one sketch. So let's take a look at that. It's under the case component. I called it clip. So if we isolate it, we can see what it's doing. It has these two kind of protruding tabs with these kind of nubs. Now there's double nubs here to kind of be, this second one kind of acts as an end stop. So if we turn on the bottom case, do a little section analysis, we can see that it kind of munches on it, and hopefully it'll not be pushed all the way through. If not, we could probably extend this out a little bit so that it's more of an end stop. So hopefully this fits. It's got the same kind of tolerances as the feather box. And then the thing that I made parametric, so if we open our parameters window, is the clip depth. I didn't have a better name for it. So clip depth, if I change this to 8, you can see that it makes the tabs longer, and that makes the distance between the clip and the back a little bit bigger. So I'll switch this back to 4. You can see it doing that. We can change the width and height by going into the sketch. So if we go to the clip component, we look at the sketches, we only have 2. This first one kind of creates the base itself. So you can see it's got 30 over here, and then the width is controlled by, I think I need to do something here. It's actually not constrained. Whoa, so I need to fix that. The way I built it originally, it was constrained, and then I think I deleted them. So this needs to be kind of symmetric, so I need to figure out the best way to do that. The best way is probably crud. I might have to just say let's grab whoa, we need to go over here. Look at that, I'm editing here still. I'm not done with it. So I'll take this number, what is it, D262, and then I'll say I want this to be the same right here. Was it D262? That's the dimension thing. It doesn't do that anymore? It does. Come on. Clip depth. That's not what I want. D262. That's the dimension I want. So it'll be the same as this guy because that one is D whatever the number is. All right. So that's kind of, so you want, say you want a bigger width. I would look at the length of this. So it's 22.2, and then just subtract or add to this piece. Because if I change this, let's make that 6. You can see it's symmetric now. Waha! That's great. I didn't know how I was going to do that. Anyway, that's good. So now it's fully constrained, and that means I have to re-export this out for you. Anyway, that's how it works. Give it a shot and print it out. I can print it, I guess. Yeah, I should probably print it. And I'll let you know how the tolerances work out. If you want to try it yourself, try it now. I'll give you the F360 thing because I found out how to export this without having to have you download it and then upload it again, which is kind of the same. Anyway, take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Adios.